Posted in front of the tribe, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my clock. You wanna play it, then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down. Walk down on them in Balenciaga runners. My blood slime a nigga out just like an anaconda. You go against me, then you fuck just like a used condom. I roll them up and then I smoke them like some good guns. Hey, still doing drive-bys, but I wanna walk on. If I can't find them, you know I'm gonna stalk them. Caution tape up on the scene, I had the white talk. Running from my gun, but my bullets had to hold. Posted in front of the tribe, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my clock. You wanna play it, then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down. Nigga, I was posted on the corner where the J's at. Roll up in the 4x4, pull up at the corner. And I got red in my drink when I poured soda. I remember praying that the feds never take the Motorola. Chopper got the chopper, make him do a backflip. Pay my dog a down and walk him down, he need the racks, bitch. I've been drinking, I've been taking all this codeine to the face. Got a lot of M's in the safe. Caught a murder, then I beat the case. I was just about to do the race. Posted in front of the tribe, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my clock. You wanna play it, then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down.
Sucks to be you, cause I would've loved you. I'd watch the whole world burn and see you dance. Running through cartels and jumping through bobshells. I thought we would die, growing old, holding hands. It sucks to be you, cause I would've loved you. I'd watch the whole world burn to see you dance. Jump over bombshells and running through cartels. Thought we would die, growing old, holding hands. The story don't start all great. I'm a gorilla gone ape. I'm just a street nigga trying to make it to $1 million all the wrong ways. I'm running all the long plays. They said I was wrong shade. I should have made it 5 years ago. My nigga, I was really born late.
You know it. What's the deal, chat? What is the deal? How's everybody doing? We are back in this bitch. Right? Everybody? The fans, the supporters, the mods, the haters, the trolls. We all back in this bitch. Chad, you are chat. You represent chat. You are the collective. Oh, man. Alright, thank you guys for being here. 100 people already on here. Drop a like, subscribe. I'm going to keep reminding you. I'm going to drop a like myself right now because I have not done so yet. But when I do so, I remind myself as well. I'm the first one to remind myself that I always forget. And that I should remind the crowd and then myself as well with it. Green was first, don't at me. This is just Tony Gold was first in this stream. But overall for the day, Green was first, don't at me. Guess what I'm wearing? Green. All right. Am I doing Don's session? I don't know. It's gonna be discussed. I don't know. I'm not gonna do two sessions, so it's either gonna be I'm gonna do my Asian session or I'm just gonna do Don's New York session live stream, and then there's gonna be no Asian session. I can't do two sessions a day. Like I can't talk that much. Thank you for visiting the IG. Follow the IG, please. Anyway, so where's Robbie? Where's Robbie or Ronnie or Robbie? Who was like? Where are the people that closed out impulsively as we were in drawdown driving up without breaking any highs? Where's my man complaining that he's taken a third loss in a row on our stream, but we are 2-1 this week? I mean, I mean, I got no words. Uh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be frustrated yesterday, but that's like I truly believe in what I do, and if I got, I get frustrated, it kind of like tends to drag, and I'm like, I don't even feel like teaching these people or like sharing what I know, but like I understand. I do it, I know why I do it. Anyway, so those who didn't close impulsively, we fucking smacked the shit out of Asian session last night. Right? It's still on its 10 count, trying to get back up. And yeah, congratulations everybody. This is my 11th loss today because UX, what? So yeah, anyway. You know, who didn't close impulsively? This guy, yeah, this guy. I know he's shy, but he didn't close impulsively. Either way, we could here dubs all around. We didn't give the haters much content yesterday. We just kind of ranged and draw down until look. I came back for a reason, right? YouTube cut us off at around 9:56, and at 9:58 I came back. I waited. I told you guys 2 minutes. Hold on, and I was gonna tell you because I wasn't just gonna let you just rock without me, right? Told you I'm gonna be back on. And if we get a closure above this. At any moment, we'll start managing risk. If you're on your own, you can close half or full. If we never close above here, I will not touch my position. I'll let it rock. And we never got a closure above. We tried to drive a few times, but every time closed below, respected. And we went chasing waterfalls, right? So close 75 like I promised right here. And we hit 40 pips. It was a fun evening. And that's how yesterday went. But if you guys closed out impulsively, well, I'm reviewing it right now, Simon. So that's it. What don't you understand about it? We closed below. It was a range 2 breakout. Do you understand range 2 breakouts, the concepts? If not, hang out, and eventually they'll happen. But it was a range 2 breakout, and once we got a closure, it was also, I believe, a closure on the 4-hour. The next candle pulled up on us. It came up, made a top wick, flipped. That was our entry, the flip of the candle. Didn't drive, came back up. Our stops right here, previous hourly high. And we said we're only going to manage risk only if it closes above. That's it. It never closed above. It drove up. I told you guys, trust the higher time frames. And let us see some closures first. If we don't see closures, we can't manage risk. We have no info. Everything is just up in the air. So for everyone that stuck it out with me, you got rewarded. But it wasn't just sticking out with me. It was just trusting the process, trusting our analysis and what it's been doing over and over and over and over and over. If you understand range 2 breakouts, that's all it was, yeah.
was a bunch of them. Brody did them dirty, hit them up, and now I'm stomping them. I know a lot of demons, I can summon any one of them. Bodies holding bodies.
So, yeah, let's do a breakdown. Let's get rid of this. This is yesterday's nonsense, yesterday's noise. Keep a short memory, and congratulations to everybody that took it. Remove that. Let's go to the daily. Daily, bear back in range below here. You know what that means? We are probably going to continue bearish. Probability says so. Respecting this level here. Closed bullish on the 4 hour. So let's determine our ranges here. Huh. Now let me pop some music for now.
Came a long way from pre-K and eating Lunchables. I just took your life, and as you know, it's unrefundable. When you up the Smith, then you should never feel uncomfortable. Will he perform when he has money right in front of him? Will he perform when he has money right in front of him?
It's so hard to be human. It's so hard to just live and learn with all of your mistakes. It's double standards on all this. It's got you moving with caution. Last one has you, they start talking, saying you out way too often. But some friends that got some history of only baller hopping. Look at me, I ain't so flawless. Had like 20 girls in Austin. It's like 3 or 4 a week. I'm rounding up at least some money. Don't want changes overnight. It will long years and a hard to fight. Fairy tales don't come overnight. Gotta work for it, work for it. I see you, baby. I do. They only see you for what you were. That's not what I see when you in my face. Yeah. That's not what I see when you at my place. Yeah. That's not what I see, girl. You know you. Is it so hard to do what you came to do? Honey's got a hold on you, and I know you rather lie here than tell the truth. But I guess they out there talking about some bitches I don't know about. I'm pressed about you, but I pull up with that wrong key. I'm pressed about you. Ain't really into no small talk. I'm really out of your ballpark. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You think it's way too easy. You'll never believe me. Life come back in full circle. I'm like, whatever it is, I don't really need it. That right there just might hurt you.
Mic check, 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 you know what I'm saying? This type of shit. Mic check, check, check. I put a bow tie hard bar on me, mic check, check, check. Yeah. Mic check, check, check. Bitch, I need to drop off, check, yeah. I did this album on pages ripped out my diary. Confessions and hard lessons, killers confide in me. I hear the abuse around Ducey and me, go slide with me. Need my money back, you can't never YK Osiris me. Did it all, extortions to the bribery. Banned from Instagram, still making millions, they can't silence me. Exes set me up, a brother robbed me around 2003. Trying to get some pussy, bumping jagged edge, I gotta be. I'm trying to be too legit to quit, just hit a lick and serve 2 in the split. 4 ways, whole things, no way I die old days. Don't stun around your homies, let them niggas make their own lane. And if they can't, they knock you out the box, man, it's a cold game. Shortage on the dope, now this petty funding the campaign. Serving big rabbit rosé, pink rabbit champagne. Freshman cover, everybody had they deal except for Kane. Ashamed cause I still sell crack and I'm in the rap game. Afraid cause I still sell crack and I'm in the rap game. Shot him but that fuck nigga made it, I'm on my last days. Youngest do a murder for clout and they posted on their page.
Hey, Focus, thank you for joining us. Bless up. Why yes. Did you close any partials? Wix Energy Man 1-1 for yesterday's trade. We closed 75% at, I think it was 15, 14. And then I closed the rest at 40. Now. Alright, let me catch up here, chat. If you're listening to sad music now, who's sad and depressed? Don't be sad. Hey, 200 watching. Drop a like, subscribe. Thank you for being here. We took a massive dub last night. Sorry trolls, sorry haters, no content yesterday, but lots of value. And if I can turn some of you into supporters, that'd be awesome. So thank you for that you keep giving me the chance. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for adding to the algorithm. Love you all. And hopefully most of you took that dub with us last night. Now, this is our markup for GJ, and I only care about it on the hourly. So I'm going to wait for 9 p.m. here to look for closures. If we get a closure below here at 9 p.m., I'm going to take sells. If it drives through here and we get a closure below 168.82, I'll take a look for those sells as well. For buys, we will be in a range to breakout above 169.34, and that's the way the cookie crumbles on GJ. On gold here, oh, this is yesterday's. Hold on, let's close this. Remove drawings. Weekly bullish. Daily though, even though the weekly was pushing up, daily. Check this out. Check this out, y'all. Wow! We close back in range. So what happens? We should be able to drive down. And that's exactly what we're doing. Ooh. This is interesting as well. Huh. Right? Because if the daily closed bear back in range, we're expecting to come down. This previous 4-hour closed bull with no top wick. Well, very small top wick. I don't trust in much range above here. If there is, this current candle will flip and drive up. But as of right now, this candle is respecting this level right here. Right? Now, if we get a closure below here on the 4-hour, wait, let me see. This would be even better. Yeah. Below here, we get a closure below here on the 4-hour. I would expect the very next candle. Let's say this one closes here, and in 40 minutes we close here. The next candle should be able to make a top wick for this candle that just started with no top wick and take us down. Something like this. And if this is the next 4-hour, as it's making this top wick and starts coming down, we can start looking for indications of the smaller time frame, on the smaller time frame, right? So that's our play here. And we're gonna go to the 1 hour. 1 hour pretty solid here. Yes. Yeah, so below here as well. Look, last time we closed below here on the 1 hour, we just drove down. Then we cleared out all the range. I'm not talking about just coming up here, respect. I'm talking about candle coming back into this range. So if we come back below here, we come back below here. Yeah, we're gonna look for sells right here. Once again, 4 hour closure, 1 hour closure, 9 p.m. no sooner. You guys have 35 minutes to just chill, relax, walk around, smoke a joint, roll a joint, make yourself some dinner, lift some weights, whatever you gotta do. Feed the dog. Feed the neighbor's dog. No, don't feed the neighbor's dog. Fuck that. Feed your dog. Okay. So it's below closure. Run up the numbers. Run up the numbers. Long lay. Thank you very much. Hope you took it with us. If you didn't, hope you'll take it next time. Just keep showing up and you can take those positions on your own. Yeah, see, this 30 doesn't work for me on gold. It's a little lower. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Gold previous close, 4 hour close, so strong bull that I really need to see this 4 hour close, at which point the hour will close. It'll be 9 p.m. This is the advantage of having a 4 hour close during the session. You get to see, or you get an indication of volume and direction. Right. So, yeah, on the 1 hour, that's what it looked like.
And my little brother turned to a drummer, walked in my side, now he got the lumber. I said that Maybach where they crazy at, tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers.
And for buys, we'll look for buys in the case of buys. Yeah, I like this level right here. This will be our range 2 breakouts. So these are our charts, chat. This is what we're rocking with tonight, and as long as we get what we're looking for, we will be in business out. Other than that, just gonna chill.
Like I'm living life for everybody that ain't living. Some nights I live this life for my on my pendant. I just did an interview and they asked me about him, but I could do but cry for the fact that I ain't with him. Yeah. Okay, let's take it back. And they act like I'm supposed to be okay. Was in the strip club and got a call that you was DOA. Had a whole nother target, but you was a seat away. I still think about what you was thinking in that moment, knowing you wasn't gonna make it home to see another day. Reading all these captions, Ari writing, make me feel away. I'm still mad at God and whoever did this to this day. I just dropped a tape and threw a release party in the air.
All right.
It was hard for me to celebrate, man. I just talked to Josh about going on tour.
DJ, oh, rejected, came back up. I mean, this time, fellas, ladies, this is time. Ask questions. Drop a chart. If you don't understand something, let me know. We'll explain it. Hashtag Robbie's pissed. I know we went over this focus. It's alright. Don't. I hope Robbie comes back, realizes the proper way to hold a conversation here, and then get some value out of this. Like I said, I'd love to turn some trolls and haters into supporters. Found you through Downbow. Just wondering how long you've been a profitable trader for. Do you trade full time? Consistent, maybe 2 years. Profitable, maybe about a year. Start to show some love. Hey, good vibes. Love you. Thank you for showing up. Appreciate it. You're awesome. When did you start day trade? How'd you learn? I started 4 years ago. Just bounced around. found price action. Helped myself realized what resources were available, and then I took advantage of them. Can you have a look at GU? No, but you can post a chart on GU, and if you do, then we'll all look at your chart, and if it makes sense, or if we have any questions about it, then we'll ask you about it, and we'll all break it down, and then if it's really valid, maybe we can all take a trade and learn something. Educate us. This is Jim Fazlia. Wix, what the what the fuck do you draw your level? What time frames do you draw your levels? Typically, I don't know. It's a mix of the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes. It's like it's a mutt. My levels are mutts. Hi, can I know how volume helps you? How you analyze it? Volume? Well, we get a closure outside the range. That indicates volume to drive, because we got enough volume to get closure outside the range. Supporter can help take a look at this chart. I can't do that. You got to drop a chart in our devious Discord. I can't pull up links here. So go to our, it's a free Discord. Go to our devious server on Discord. It's free, massive amount of value, massive amount of camaraderie. A lot of people like-minded, trying to trade the same way, learn the same way. You know, look out for each other. So, and there's a chart for stream section over there, and then you could drop a chart there. Let me know here. I'll go over there and pull it up. Simple process. The link for the Discord's in the description. Yeah, what a way to ask a question. What is the biggest thing you learn about yourself through trading? I didn't really learn about myself. It's the effect it's had on my life, and the growth I've gone through because of trading, and the amount of personal growth, and humble. Like, you really want to humble yourself if you're really successful. Like, if you're at the top of whatever you're doing, you're great at your job, you want to humble yourself, start trading. You'll humble yourself real quick. Right? This is a very individualized activity, but we all go through very similar experiences, and those experiences are initially very humbling, because we all think we're Superman, we can take over the world, or, you know, this is very humbling. So yeah, enjoy the process. You're in for a wild ride. I just saw your Insta. You look like White Adam, DC Comics. I don't have as much mass. I go to the gym, yeah, but I'm not massive. Like, The Rock is fucking 6'6". How's it work? Hope you're good, bro. How consistent is your system with your marking up? And in the future, you had to replay this price action in the backtesting section where you have the same bias? Thanks. Yes. Very consistent, and yes. Any suggestions to begin a trader with your style? Don't go chasing shadows. Just, continue with what the path you're on, but don't have tunnel vision either. Keep an open mind. Continue on the path you're on with learning candles, reading candles, learning how to read candles. Get rid of your indicators, all the lagging shit, get rid of the noise, and continue. Don't switch up. Shared my gold 30-minute chart in Discord. Do you think that'll be valid? Which book you suggest for advanced trading? I don't know. I've never read any book on trading. Thank you for your answer. I appreciate you. From Canada. Hey, Canadian, eh? Hey. Hey. Were you well off before you started trading? Like, wait, where am I? Like you had own business prior to becoming. How much was your first initial deposit? My first initial deposit was $100 and it was gone within 30 minutes. Yeah, I owned businesses. I bought, sold businesses, started businesses, ran them for years, flipped them. So yeah, like I was in a whole different sphere. And I literally put everything on the line for this, right? What else we got? I'm gonna look at your chart in a second. Yeah, I'm way bigger than The Rock. 6'11". Huge. Huge. Believe me. Lowering my lot size and taking a trade, being a drawdown a lot easier to take. Yeah, if you were... Think about it this way. A lot of people who were impulsive yesterday closed out with a bigger lot, but then the ones in the smaller lot didn't close out. And yeah, they made less than those guys would have made, but they made, right? Because the impulses didn't didn't take over. They didn't let the market control them. They controlled the entire trade, the entire trading experience, because they were in control of how much they were risking. They were, in control of their comfort level as well. Yeah, I can't believe they didn't get me to play Black Adam. You crazy? The Rock. How did they get that guy? My Asian session was my first time in the session. I want to know everything. Greeting from Mexico. Hey, we have Northern Mexico from Canada, guy over there. We have Southern Mexico from Real Mexico below us. It's crazy. Thank you for joining, Fernando. Appreciate you. Asian session, because I want to do New York session, but Donvo already does New York session. Donvo is my partner in crime, and since he's already doing the NY session, I would have to be ignorant beyond belief to do another New York session. So I do Asian session. Plus there's high demand and low, not too many people doing it. Plus it lets me vibe out in the evenings. I don't go out, do ratchet shit and spend 10 racks on a stripper or a strip club. Stay away from King of Diamonds. Why? Because I'm here with you, chat. Love ya. Yo. Kenya, South Africa, Australia, awesome. Venus in the house. Must be a woman. We run the stream 8 p.m. Eastern to 10 p.m. Eastern. That's our Asian session live streams on YouTube. Iran. Oh, welcome. Now, let me see what we got going on. Oh, I never dropped these. Sorry. Oh shit.
morning, Boopy. I
Man,
pray
you
all is
guys
well.
real out here with your
I'm
charts.
praying
So
for
what's going on over
a
here?
prosperous concert tonight. Stay focused.
This
Stay
is
motivated.
GJ.
And I might not be there in
All
the
right, we're
flesh,
bearish
but
for the
I am
day.
there in the spirit.
You're on the hourly.
All right, talk to you.
You get a closure below the next zone. Sell at 1 hour closure below. Yeah, it's solid. Yeah, I concur. I completely concur. Now, see what else we got over here. This is a good chart. Just, I mean, the chart we just looked at is a good chart. I know what you're doing, but try to like, I don't know, give us a hint on what kind of candle. Maybe draw the candle or something. Like, what do you want to see? Sell at 1 hour closure below. Yeah. I get it. I mean, like, yeah, you don't have to actually, you don't have to put much, you know, as long as I understand. This right here, you guys should. What the fuck just happened? Where did that go? Oh. So, yeah, I don't know about this. Why don't I know about this? Well, this is GU, and I understand your idea, but what are you looking for? Because the market's not going to move in that little wave, right? Where is there a teachable moment here? Show me what you're looking for. Educate me. Pretend I'm the student. Like, you know, educate me. Pretend I'm the jury in a court trial, right? If you're taking this shit to court, like, come here with some, like, evidence. Be like, look, this shit is happening, and this shit is happening, and that shit is happening, and this is why I think like this. This, over here, I can just deduce what you're looking for, but it can happen in a myriad of ways, right? Yo, why are these things going here? What's going on? Imbalance, clear lows. GJ. Okay. Is this smart money concepts? Is this SMC? Sweep. Are you already in a sell? Did you get activated? Now you're in drawdown? You're waiting? What? Right? Is that it? Yeah, head and shoulders. First time in Asian looks choppy. It's Asian session. Yeah, we average like 2 to 3 trades a week, and we already had 3 trades. Give me 1 second. I got somebody at the door. Hold on. Right. Sorry for that. My apologies. Open up, motherfucker. That's what it basically was. Oh man. Now, yeah, I'm guessing you're already in a sell and some drawdown. But why are you in a sell? I'm not understanding. Like I gotta understand. You guys gotta describe the shit. Like, I see a picture and a sell open, but I don't understand what's going on. Especially if it's not the same way I trade. It's clearly not. The zones aren't there. The levels aren't there. Imbalance clear. Lows. Not the way I trade. This is tough for me. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, same chart. Just looked at this. Yeah. Alright. Oh, jeez. I remember this. I remember having this on screen. So this is gold. And you're bullish on gold over here. So are you taking a buy, or are you waiting I also don't understand. Are you waiting for a candle to close bullish to drive up? Or are you in a position already? Did you enter a little while back? There's like 4 or 5 positions on here. Guys, I'm not a mind reader. I don't work with Miss Cleo or like so I can't really read your mind what you're trying to explain. Okay, let's see. What else? Gold. 4-hour impulse. Drove up. Okay, you identified a really strong bullish candle. It also closed above this range, so you see, and then bearish respected and then kept driving up. This was how you would know whether you should extend the trade or not. When you get a closure below, above. Now, pull back. Okay, so you're looking for a bullish move on the gold 4-hour. Maybe. But you also have to realize, I agree with this, but you have to realize that, see this 4-hour right here? Right here? It closed with no top wick, indicating there's not much range to continue going up. And see, no top wick here to fill this range. So this next candle should technically come back down in range. We'll check it out right now in a minute. And in order for you to take buys here, you want the next 4 hour to kind of close above here with a top wick, and then you can start taking these buys up. But it hasn't happened. We're coming back in range. So I would say you might have to consider the fact that the daily also closed bear. And so with a bearish daily and a 4-hour topping out with no top wick, and chances of it driving become that much less. If we come back down below here, you can start paying, really pay close attention to these closures. We close back below, make a top wick. We're going to fill this range down. Okay. But I understand what you're looking at. Just have to take into account the higher time frames and overall where you are in the market. You could be right? The probability is still there. I just say it's much less. No. Right, so we look on this 4-hour. You're looking for this 4-hour flip and drive up. I would have to say that this 4-hour... Well, here's the thing. It's the last 15 of the 4-hour, right? So we should see a pullback. And that's what it's doing. It drove down, now it's pulling back. Now, I don't see it driving in the last 15 minutes, but anything can happen. If it drives up above here, we'll look for buys with you. But we're not going to look for buys on the flip of this candle. You have only 10 minutes left here also for this 4-hour. Alright, so that's it for charts, I guess. No one else is sending in charts. I feel like I just want to see if your method now will result in the same conclusion as theirs. Fine. Inside Wick's house. Do me a favor. Clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, and put the kids to bed. If you can, that'd be great. If not, get the fuck out of my house. I feel like... Oh, sorry. My bad, Eddie. Eddie H. lifts my mood up. I love it when he's here. My gym bro. Gym bro. I would send a chart, but I'm timed out. Oh. Time in. Oh, let it go. Just learn. Why? How are you timed out? You're not timed out on my stream. You're chilling on my stream. These trend lines at all? Yeah, they're horizontal. What does DVS stand for? I don't know. It's just 3 letters. As a matter of fact, let's do a contest. Chat, drop what you think DVS stands for. Like the coolest shit it could stand for, and if it's good enough, maybe we'll use that. Wait, so pretty much you're saying my RSI that I got here is useless? Well, I'm not really saying no, but it's kind of... Uh-huh. I mean, it's a lagging indicator, right? Read the fucking candle, and the candles will tell you what the where the RSI is if you truly understand or can read those candles. And yeah, RSI is an indicator, and indicators are all lagging, right? They're all telling you what's already happened in the market. They're not telling you what's gonna occur. Alright, driving up here. Ratchet. Oh man. Where are we gonna have stops if we close above here on the hourly though? 30? What are the stops? How big are the stops here? Oh, it's not that bad. It's 25 here. We close above. Maybe 26, 27 pip stops to ride this up. I mean, yeah, it could happen. Bet you live in Florida. Works you wearing a jumper? I'm wearing a long sleeve thermal. Hey, don't get it twisted. I was wearing a white beater all day. But I'm not going to expose these traps. And these traps were made not for the stream. I don't want to scare everybody away. You won't even be able to see me. It's just going to be Trap City over here on screen. Traps.
I'm trying to breathe in between sipping all I can sip. Bitch, get a grip. Who the rawest of rip? Answer my questions, sauce and daily. Don't get caught in the mix. This life a blessing on the
okay, sure. I get it. Fix my sights like a rifle. I'm in it. I'm after fast passes in some first class. LOL. All these suits next to me. I did it off rapping. I'm bragging, of course. Haters get torched. The young hell spawn. Don't make me pull a motherfucking belt on them niggas. All that hating ain't improving on your health, my nigga. Being jealous never help none of your wealth. Go figure, we keep it most the vegetable squad. Fucking vegetables. Oh shit.
Why self a life, bitch? Yeah, fuck you, your mom, and everything else. Free to go. That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Making D and V Don Vo. It's kind of lame. Let's not do that. Shout out to Don Vo. I love you, bro. It's low-key crazy how many different trade styles. No, there's every single person has their own trading style. What you mean? There's no two people that are identical. Everyone's unique. We all have absolutely different perspectives, experiences, approaches, everything. I'm not understanding what that means. When you take a trade, what level is strong and you don't need to trade against it? I don't trade against a daily when going from range 1 to range 2. I won't do that. Into range 2 against the daily. I won't do that. At a range 2, I would. Guys like, fuck you talk about range 2 gun? I gotta learn the concepts. Tried donating, but I'm in Mexico and Apple won't let me. Give it to the cartels. Better spent in Mexico. And this is what we want. We want to come back up in this little range here. If we can just repeat what's happened last time we closed above here. Like, see, we closed above. Next candle just shook. So if we close above here, I'm gonna look for the next candle to look exactly like this candle right here. That's what I want. Right, my bottom wick and candle to here. We just need a top wick here. I'll get in chat. We got 4 minutes to go. Well, less, almost 3 minutes to go. So, let's see what we can get tonight. SGJ, the gold has gone absolutely nowhere. Really need to close below here. We can't do nothing.
Tryna take me, nigga. Blaming on the pills, my nigga. Bitches bitching at me, go slow. But you ain't going
Wow, watching the Brooklyn Nets game, it's pretty crazy. Patel set us up. We had move from Tijuana. Yeah, happens. How long you normally in a trade for? One candle. Oh. Yesterday just so happened. It just happened to be. It so happened to be 3. On which time frame? I don't know, on the 30, on the 1 hour, depending on which hour I'm basing the trade off of. This is mainly based off the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Mainly. One minute. Oh. I don't know, Chad. I need to. There's got to be a logical stop. I can't. I don't know. The 1 hour here is the most logical stop. 30. Hold on.
She said she play with her nose. I told her that's not in my goals. I know when to go, I know when to fold. That's never. They throwing dirt with no shiver. It ain't no shame in my game. It ain't no flaw in my name. Only lay up in the rain. I made a promise, I brought her a ring. You can do that, but don't go against the grain. Rose red umbrella, tall white thing look like Cinderella.
Chad, I want a 10 pip wick, and then I want a break of this previous candle high. So we got, lock it in. We have 4-hour close here, the hourly closed. We need a bottom wick. We need a bottom wick, and we'll have buy stops above the previous hourly high. Or it's just gonna drive up without us.
Rubber band honey, said she keep on coming. I'm thumb. Move like a mummy, the drug got him slumpy. Just junk. Add to the combo if it's about money. I'm thumb. Should be bummy, turn nothing to something. I got my bank account just jump. Rubber band honey, said she keep on coming. I'm thumb. Move like a mummy, the drug got him slumpy. Just junk. Add to the combo if it's about money. I'm thumb. Used to be bummy, turn nothing to something. I got my bank account just jump. Honey band, guns in the spreader, man. Never play middle, man. We gotta get him, man. If I don't feel him, man, we gotta
Guess what? What did you consider as range 1 in GJ? Yesterday was lessons in patience. Guess what? Chicken butt. I don't know what. That is I sold the pharmacy. GJ breaks the buy line. Are you looking for a retest to a trade in a short period of time? No, I'm looking to trade this candle, but it seems like it's filling the range for us.
Move like a mummy, the drug got him slumpy. Junk. Add to the combo if it's about money. I'm thumb. Used to be bummy, turn nothing to something. I got my bank account just jump. I'm thumbing through bands and rocks. Deep in that water, bitch, it ain't no friends in that. First nigga playing, get whacked. Scope on a new Glock, I got a lens attack. Like my shooter got aim assist. He bound to hit anything that he blamin' at. Catch him and bang him quick. Empty the clip, flow, hollows gon' land his back on. Money counters beeping, blue strip dreams while I'm sleeping. 40 with a beam if they creeping. 2-turn gang while I'm bleeding. Snatch who chain, bitch I'm squeezing. Bullets touch his brain.
I will use currents. GJ breaks the buy. I read that. Which zone did you consider as range 1 in GJ? Right here. Consider this range 1. Yeah, we drove down here, but you know, in this case, I consider this a range 1. But if you don't like it and you consider this a range 1, well, guess what? You just filled range 2, and anything above here is buys as well. So, you know what I mean? Guess what? What? This isn't bad. Just gotta pull back, leave a wick for us, get a closure. Maybe we could get a closure on the 30. Above range. Yeah, but it wasn't really news, right? It was yellow folder. I know I saw, but it's yellow. Like, look at this. I don't know what the fuck. Right? Shouldn't have much of an impact immediately. Yellow folders are typically they can be strong, but they take a little bit longer to develop than a red folder, right? Idea was correct on GJ, right? Got to close below and it drove, just didn't give a bottom wick. Don't be sad. So what? It drove without you. Not a big deal, you know. There's Ubers driving without you right now. You're not upset for them. Stops are too much for me on the hour now. This trade is so easy. I'm gonna buy another lamp off this trade. Yeah, spend it wisely. Get a nice Lambo. Don't crash it. Sell it for more. No, I mean, that's the Outlook report. That's tentative. I mean, it's happening, right? All night or all evening, all session. So maybe, yeah, I guess. I don't give a fuck. That's enough about that. Looking forward to my first trade out of the country on vacation. I don't know, like an IG guru. Yeah, you were gonna put it on video. It's all good. We have potential here for gold, but it's gotta get the fuck out this range. We gotta come back down below. Or above. We're just stuck in a range. Range 2 for that matter. The good thing about being stuck in range 2, it's you know, you could buy above and sell below. Based on the 4 hour, of course. Relative to the 4 hour. So this has been cleared out, this entire fucking range. Look how clean our zones were. We closed above this one, and then we just drove exactly to this point. We got that marked up, right? Only for you boys. I feel her. Not a public person. I think Don has a nice video on that. How to identify ranges. What am I looking? You said you want to see 15-minute. This is the 15-minute. Log one. What about the 15? Well, let's see how much range there is. Yeah, we can drive above here on the 15. I don't know. You see, it's like 7 pips. Fuck a 15. Stick to the higher time frame ranges. No offense to you, 15M. Hey, Tinder's back. Oh, Tinder's gone. That's funny. Your Spotify playlist? No, you just gotta show up to the streams and you get to listen and vibe out. Company secret. How do I identify range 1 and range 2? Well, we have a bias, right? So based on that bias, the peak is the beginning of range 1. So if we are... Okay, let's stick to what we were breaking down. Daily, we were bearish, right? Can you tell them? Daily, we're bearish, right? Back into this range. So during this bearish move, we've kind of peaked here. This would be the beginning of range 1. From here to here, or if you want to look at it from here to here, was a range 1 right here. From the peak to the next resistance. And from here, we drove up to here. That's our next resistance. And once we closed above here, boom, drove up because that's range 2 breakouts. They tend to work out a high percentage of the time. The only thing wrong with this is it had no bottom wick. And if it had a bottom wick, any kind of, I think around 8 to 10 pips, I was good with it. We would have taken these buys up. But no bottom wick, no entry. Trade's been fired through London. I mean, yeah, sure. Just it's market conditions right now, right? They might run through London. Range is always looking to get filled. Hey, yo. I mean, yeah, with volume and momentum, yeah, ranges will get filled. Ah, you know what I got over here? They do exist. Uh-oh. Ah. What that is? Who knows what that is, chat? What's that say? What's that sub? Right there. Oh yeah. Exactly. W's and W's. Nothing but W's here. Eating these W's right now. Oh. Me up all the W's. We don't do M&M's. We only do W's. This is delicious. I should send my kids trick-or-treating more often. I didn't even know they still made these. Captain Obvious Award goes to Enhanced. What an evening. Hey, Sugar Love. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for having us in your household. Profits? Yeah, profits are delicious. They can buy you more W's. W and W's. Kit Kat Superior? Yeah, I love Kit Kats. Damn, I'm getting a cavity just from talking about sweets. Stuff. You guys keep mentioning different candies. I'm a fucking need a new dentist. I'm gonna need a dentist tonight. Wow, 320 watching. I don't know if I think our stream got cut off at around like 360 viewers. YouTube edited us. But we came back 3 minutes later and it was 100 less viewers. So for all the 100 of you that just dipped, stick around next time because we walked the stream through the trade and I walked you guys through what I was going to do. And if you were moderately interested in that, you should stick around next time. And yeah, I wasn't going to leave you guys just like that. Hey, stream over, we're in drawdown, fuck that. No, we're coming back and let you know when to close, when not to close. We got a plan, right? We're gonna have parameters set and we're gonna use those parameters to our advantage. Charleston Chew, chicka 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 Slim Shady, hotter than a set of twin baby. Remember that song? Still local enough to choke you to death with a Charleston Chew. Anyway, don't be upset, chat. Another 20 minutes. Let's see if we can get a 30 closure above. Yeah, we came back and we took a massive dub yesterday, 40 pips. So, if you dipped yesterday, don't dip tonight. You dip. No, I didn't dip. YouTube cut us off. I'm talking about if YouTube cuts us off. Don't dip. Just wait. I came back. I said, hold on. I'm coming back. We explained it. If we would have gotten a closure above, we would have closed. We never did. Held the trade. Nothing I can do here, Chad. I'm not trading the 15 here. Nah. Ain't gonna happen. And on gold, nah, I'm not gonna just make up a position for the sake of having a position. YouTube was tired of the trolls. Yeah, I was so tired of the trolls. It's my only answer. I mean, you trade your strategy, I trade mine. I'm pretty comfortable with mine, regardless of what your opinion on it is. That's just what I keep in the back of my head. See, here's the thing. Gold, we can't look for a 30 here. We strictly need an hourly closure. That happens at 10. I might consider it. Other than that, it doesn't look like there's going to be much. And on GJ, I would not mind taking a 30. Although the hourly's cleaner. How's it looking tonight? Looking rangy. Looking like we might not get a position, but it's alright. We had a position 3 times this week already. So we had a trade every single day this week so far. On Monday, we had a dub. We had a loss on Tuesday. And we had another dub on a Wednesday. So we're 2-1 this week. We were 2-1 last week. We were 3-0 the week before that, and 3-0 the week before that, and that's our October. Is there less than 100 likes? No, I don't know. We average around 200, 250 likes. So I don't know. Maybe because people didn't get a trade today. That's why there's no likes. But yeah, drop a like, subscribe, follow the IG. Follow our Discord. It's free Discord. Massive value for free. For free. $3.99. Say Thursday. Yeah, chat. This is every weekday. But do not be here tomorrow. Do not. You will be listening to the world's smallest violin playing the world's saddest song.
NBA nigga bitches, you know I ain't never gonna say shit.
New contract big like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with.
I told her pull up, she told me she can't, her nigga be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun, seeing you out with your kids, so you old one. And my man in the can while you taking out the trash, you gon' pop with the mat like don't run.
Gave up here, they all get high, you ever had a foursome. There's too much cash, we leave the house, I had to get a little bro some.
We was in the studio, we don't listen.
I fuck around from time to time, I don't show no emotion.
But when he died, he had them racks, he had to make her go for him. I hang with the hitters who train the killers who send all the niggas on slow run. I got me a check and I brought me a cat and I went on the block and they doing nuts. I hang with all the murderers, I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderers. I'm putting all my lust on the murderers. You don't wanna see me with the murderers. Yeah, Rolls Royce swerving, famous bitch curving. Seen you out in traffic, you was looking nervous.
Ran it up on accident, they thought it was on purpose. I know for a fact I'm blasting mine, I never get too worried. 100 racks ain't 100 still like cursive, I been selling verses.
One time I lied inside my song, I ain't gon' buy no Birkin. Homicide on my mind when I slide, I ain't tryna see no hearse. He ain't even died by the gun, took a fake pill, nigga died on perks. Sure look perfect. Pussy was worth it, go get us some Percy. My diamond be here like we anniversary. We sticking together, this shit in the cursive. I'm fucking with that girl. I just like the jeweler with baby with 2 anniversary. Go to Atlanta, they cop and call me. Bad little bitches all on me, way too ranked up, ain't no smoke. She wanna go to the mall. Got up and went to the pop up in Louis and saw it and ordered it all. I'm in this bitch with the voice in the hair. All these niggas is weddles ain't going this hard. I'm from the P, that's gang. All these niggas know me, I hang with. All the murderers, I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderers. I'm putting all my last on the murderers. You don't wanna see me with the murderers, murderers. So I hang with all the murderers.
Sex full of adrenaline. This pussy put you right to sleep just like a sedative. Not just I'm conceited, I'm not one to brag, but I'm the girl you needed that you never had. Some people only see the negative. Some people find a way to see the good in everything. I just wanna see you through the good and bad. Take you as you are and never give you back.
No place I can't go. Love ain't here, no. Drugs and a melody. On the ocean, and it's fine. Diamonds blinking, diamonds blind. Open for the time. See you dressed in designer.
Yo, Eddie, thank you for joining us. Appreciate you coming through. Always vibe. Shit, bro. Love the support. Guys, what's the deal, chat? Why are you guys so quiet all of a sudden? Why? Because I turned up the music? Is that what it is? You want me to turn it down? I'm gonna grab my pips on the pullback. Well, pull back for him, baby. Yeah, come on. Come on, mouse. Work on me.
Got my eye, I love your intellect. I guess I put you straight to sleep, I call it bed rest. I just want your body like I never had.
Yeah, you guys were quieting down on me, so I'm gonna have to turn down the music. Vibe into my music, yeah. I'm gonna buy as a GK, that's why I got chip. Yeah, I can understand that. Hercus, when people are in a position or looking for a position, they tend to quiet down. Right? Just looking at drawdown, I get you. You feeling about Bitcoin trading? I stay away from trading it. Investing it is a different story. Tell us a story from New York. Nah, you ain't gonna believe that shit. I ain't even gonna tell it to you. You ain't gonna believe that shit. You heard that, right? Like the difference between a black fairy tale and a white fairy tale. White fairy tale is like once upon a time, land far, far away. A black fairy tale is, yo, y'all ain't gonna believe this shit. Trolls alert. Yeah, I don't know. I'm fine with it. Let them come through. I love everybody on here. You trolling? They tried to troll yesterday and we smacked the 40 pips. I feel like we turned a few trolls into our trusted friends. Trying to make you like-minded. Smoking bowls, catching pips. Hey, Woey. Woey Trades. W. Joey Trades. Yo, X, how many fights you been in? You gotta go back a long time for me to be in a fight. I think last time I was in a fight, I got jumped. To be honest with you, shit was, and I might have been in my teens. That's how long. I don't fight, bro. Some people have an atomic bomb. I have an atomic bong. I pack it and smoke it. That thing died.
Look out the window, what do I see? A couple yachts, they got some thoughts that track the 7 seas. Got CCs and Louis V's out of every season. Carter me please, 4 G's, make them stop breathing. Look out the window, what do I see? A couple yachts, they got some thoughts that track the 7 seas.
Come in the dot, or do you drive a bus?
CCs and Louis V's out of every season. Carter me please, 4 G's, make them stop breathing.
Thought you was ready for the Janto.
Dolls.
Thought you was ready for the switchblade. Cause the Audemars come with the square mind. And the Rolex come with the big face. Wow, 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 wobble loud, 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 loud. We turned up loud, we running wild. For the gang, for the crown, for the team, for the town. Make my trap niggas proud. Going down, down, down. Showing me the man, giving me the hands, showing me finesse, giving me the grand plan. I don't understand.
No, I got flower outside on my porch.
I got diamond on my neck, 20,000. Pay me my respect, pull it house on. Tell a nigga, yeah. You are not a threat. Fry a nigga, yeah. Bust it, no regret. Nigga, chopper gone, acapella, rockin' roof for really. I'ma spend $250,000. Being broke is my Achilles, nigga. Motherfucking duty free. Liquor that I'm buying for some niggas that I only see inside a neon light. And I just hit the top 10, but I've been lit. And I just took my ex back, cause it's vintage. I got the Rari outside and it's tinted. It's untinted. Never had to squint when you glimpse it. Nigga, snack DVD, I'm standing here inside the street. Right here on Linden Bully, 30 niggas, 30 deep. Niggas standing with the sticks, bitches gritting on their teeth. Tell me what the fuck you want and you can sign it.
For the smack DVD, I've got to pull up with the creek. Got to pull up on the creek, got to find a way to beat. How they trap for the streets. For the money, hit the field, better put on Yeezy cleats.
Alright, chat. I don't know if we're gonna get a closure here. I don't know. But hold on. Kanye on this? Kanye's on this.
I called the number up. Man, you talk about Ken, you know you effing up. Could you talk to the mayor about Breonna Taylor? I told the president for it. Giving my life to the Lord. Smack DVD if we extinct, that would it be? Gotta cease with the murders, gotta pull up with the fleet. It's 1,000 black babies getting murdered every day. They don't know where to go, how to build a plan A. Okay, yeah, this is me. What they gonna say to me? I'm the only one out here that
Oh man. What you want me to react to? Tea or indica? Nighttime, probably indica. How to find these songs? Do you have a Wix amount of time? If you have Wix amount of time.
Came out bustin', came out buffin', came out fucking on your cousin. I do all these fluses, worse than they daddy, but you love her, you in trouble. I'm the Senate, I'm gon' barbecue it, something that's your busy, it ain't shit. I went shopping, left it running, check my hundreds, check my onion. We watch cable and my auntie, cause my papa wasn't trapping, but my uncle up the certain Mr. Magic, Billy Bashing, Mr. Magic, Billy Bashing. Miss me with that local hating on the nigga, get it cracking. I'm not surprised, I'm on the rise. Been a little ride, red is my eyes. Spam it a lot, just hold it down. All I require, just hold it down. They gon' shit talk you when we on around. Niggas be hating with feet on the ground. Got the little jet with the beat on the couch. Nut on the Gucci and beat on the mouth. Came out buzzing, 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 came out buzzing. Wait, Chanel on my feet, yeah that's for all my C's. I be fucking with the bees like Muhammad Ali. Dip her uppercut this thing. Got your bitch on the edge of her seat. She on the ecstasy, I'm on the beat. Swear the ecstasy, edge of my V. And usually I like repetitive beat. I like the way that she move on my meat. Quality bitches, they look good to me. But I fuck the same girl cause I don't even cheat. That is a lie, I'm repetitive freak. I don't even look, no, I don't even seek. I don't even peek. G5, G5, repetitive G. I'm trying to get out of motherfucking cheese. Bitch, I'm a boss, I'm wherever it be. I've been on tour, I see more. I told them motherfuckers feed me beats. Just like my music, yo bitch, she gon' leak. Came out buzzing, 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 came out buzzing. I'm road running, I'm so gunning. High tech digi, fat for a button, passport shouted, airport pilot, NASCAR audit, swan time bombing. Two white bitches, still gon' pick it, flash shit kicking, still toe pigeon. Young like sleazy, get back with you. Step back, hit him with the step back switch it. Hey nigga, hoping that it melt my vision. Shit might triple, shit might missile, shit might hit you. Free G bunker,
I'm not gonna take a trade above here. My trade's above here. It's even good enough to me. It's gotta create something in this range. Need some bearish candles before.
Let me control it, I can control it. Either with one hand, maybe with nothing. Play with my zipper, play with my bubble. That was your sister, that was my summer. Came out buzzing, came out buzzing, came out buzzing, came out buzzing, came out buzzing.
Not enough range and too many levels to buy into. And we might be topping out on the daily. Current hourly, no bottom wick. I'd expect the next this 30 to come down and make a bottom wick for it, or pull back for the hourly close to be a little more manageable. I'm fine with missing. Like, it's a nice level here, but I'm fine with missing the trade up here.
It's been a few days, I hit the stage, I've been in the crib on the game.
Sorry, I don't know if you guys heard me, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm not going to take a trade above this level because A, there's not enough range, B, this candle's opened up with no bottom wick, and the hourly's still running with no bottom wick. I think the hourly at any moment could come down, make a bottom wick for it. If it does that and then starts coming back up and re-breaking highs, then we could look for positions. Until then, it's just a lot of potentials for it to come down. You form a bearish candle here respecting this level here, though. Different story, but we need to see the next 30 close. At that point, it's 10 p.m. on technically, because it's Friday, right, in Asia, right? This is their Friday session. This is, guys, this is the last session of the week for Asian. Do not show up here tomorrow because it will be Saturday in Asia, and they're not fucking trading on Saturday. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Learning samurai shit and eating sushi. I don't know. I'm just saying, market's not fucking open. Alright, so don't be here. Our next Asian session is on Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's the next Asian session live stream. And I don't know if it's gonna happen because I'm gonna talk to Don. We might end up doing just a New York session stream and no Asian. So I'm gonna decide this weekend what I'm gonna do or how I feel. Yeah. Friday, 7 a.m. in India here, 5:30 watching the stream. Exactly. So tomorrow, at the same time, like your market's closed. But yes, Don is streaming tomorrow. This isn't the last live stream of the week. There's still a live stream that's coming tomorrow for the New York session at 6:30 a.m. Eastern in about 9 hours. Because over here that's our Friday now coming up. So you're good to trade London and New York. Streaming Saturday only on OnlyFans, not here. You take a trade. I need to make money. I can take a trade, but then I'll make money, not you. If you take a trade, you can make money too. And we're driving up here as expected, but I am not taking this, and I will not take this. All closures above. That's going to be a confirmation. If this can drive up as expected, that's not the trade. That's a confirmation for me that a trade might be setting up above here. Until then, it's indecision time. Time. To cash New York session work. Yeah, I feel that. That's why you're here. That's why you gotta do what you gotta do, right? And sacrifices I've had to make. Like, I tell you, but you wouldn't understand. But then again, you had some sacrifices you had to make as well, and you tell me, and I'd be like, yeah, get the fuck out of here, and I wouldn't understand, right? But to us, we've had to make that's some important shit, right? We had to sacrifice some real shit in order to, get good at what we believe in, and do what we, truly think we could do or should be doing.
The kids carry chopsticks, not for rice in a bowl. School counselors all know how cold like the Minnesota Vikings at home. Before I met Drizzy, I knew he and I would get along. But it's hard to crack jokes when you really want advice. I mean, what's it like to touch gold every time you touch a mic? Touching heights, no one gets a touch in life. Fucking right, young bachelor. What's a wife? Once in a lifetime, till I say I want it twice. One of a kind, know your everything is one of mine. Wanted posters with my face, they know who I want to buy.
Yeah.
Yes, Omar.
Cold hearts and heated floors, no parental guidance, I just see divorce. Therapy sessions, I'm in the waiting room reading Forbes. Abandonment issues, I'm getting treated for. How much water can I fit under the bridge before it overflows? My son's gotta learn that forgiveness is a lonely road. The crib's on his wheel like motorhomes. Niggas love to try and test us like they know what we own. Chubb's got the magazine cover like Rolling Stone, cause we already know how they rock, they throwing stones. Whenever you getting bigger, there's growing pains. I got enough pull to make the city start throwing games. I'm out here making a mockery. I got my realtor out here playing Monopoly. How can I address you when you don't own property? They only finesse you when you don't move properly. Destined for the win, but you don't get a prize out of me. I'm destined for the top, but you can't get a rise out of me. 750 for the round canaries and they glittering. Man, you niggas drop trash, you littering. I'm over delivering to the point it's belittling. I mean, the PTSD is triggering, the profit is sickening, the stones are shimmering. Came from the north, but I got hot as fuck, so ain't no shivering.
Chat, drop a like, subscribe.
Lucky me, people that don't fuck
we
with me.
Avoided some ranges, some trades today.
This shit is getting ugly.
And
every situation is transactional.
waiting for
everything
opposition.
they saying is irrational, and every way they moving is promotional.
Sometimes it's just
everybody's acting irreplaceable.
Let
it's
it
like
just get up there. Let it get up there.
For revenge are uncontrollable. I know we're getting older though. Yeah. But I gotta get a nigga back for that. It's non-negotiable, it's not even debatable. I'm getting so rich, my music's not even relatable. I blow a head up, it's an inflatable. Baby blue G-class, I feel like a kid again. Praying on my downfall, don't make you religious, man. All I hear is plug talk coming from middlemen. All I hear is tall tales coming from little men. When I say bitch, I'm very rarely referring to women. Most of the bitches I know are niggas, they not even women. I know that sounds like I'm being funny, I'm not even kidding. Same ones that say they run the game when they not even in it. To be honest, y'all financial situation is my biggest motivation, and how you should take that statement is based on what you're making. Whips and chains like a dominatrix. If I see I spit in your faces. Daytonas with the green faces. Kentucky Derby races. My presence in the spot is so abrasive. Box at the Churchill Downs, that's motivation. Yeah. And shorty like, you know that boy Jack is going places. I know. Yeah.
It was a great trade yesterday. Yes, it was. 40 pips. It was awesome. Just sucks that a lot of people are panicking while we're in a trade, you know. We're in drawdown, people are panicking. But you gotta trust the higher time frames. Can't, you know, don't be impulsive about closing trades out. And let your positions work out. Finally, someone streaming Asian session. It's been like 2 or 3 months. Where ya been? I mean, for me, it wasn't much to take advantage of. Yeah, 6 pips for the wick. Like this whole range is 10 pips. Like I'm trying to catch 10 in a 50 pip range, not trade a 10 pip range to catch like 2 or 3. So, don't get FOMO here, chat. Let me just get rid of this. You guys won't get FOMO. This is more solid right here. To hit billion streams up, I did a drill with my nigga bitch. Head coach of the game, and I'm still in the field with it. Bust a nigga brain and told his brother come and deal with my pockets. What I made today used to be scheming on the league just to cop. Yeah, you want to keep your risk more or less, you know, in the same ballpark from trade to trade. So that's how you adjust. Change your lot size based on the size of the pips. Gold might get a closure above. Yeah, I'm waiting on it, chat. If we don't close above here at 10, I'm gonna call it a stream. I'm gonna call it a stream regardless of 10. At least if we close above, I can walk you through what I'm gonna do. Or it might happen immediately and we'll just, you know, we'll stay on for the trade. Asian session slow. This is the wind down time. I was saying this for the first few weeks of the Asian session, and I figured you guys, you know, were following along, but I guess there's a lot more newers. More new viewers now. So, yeah, this is the wind down session for us, right? This is New York is the massive volume follow through from the massive volume London session, and the Asian session is the steadier, more forgiving, a lot rangier, lower volume session. That doesn't mean there's no positions. Like I said, we're averaging roughly 3 positions a week. So, slow or not, we're trading it, and the goal here is really, this is the best chance for you to learn. It's a great opportunity to learn. It's free, and there's less people on here. This is more of an intimate setting, as we're in New York session. It's like being in a fucking concert hall, right? And anybody watching the Mavericks Nets game? Insane. Looks like gold gonna break and close above. Yeah, oh my bad, I just read that. Yeah, I'm watching it, but we're gonna see it happen. I don't know. I don't really care to guess and invite, you know, those impulses. Just let's just see what happens, and that's it. Because when it happens, it's black and white, right? It is what it is. It's not a hypothesis at that point. At that point, you have, you It's not even a theory. It's fact. Gold did what I predicted? What'd you predict? It's gonna move?
Flew my bitch out from Thailand. She do the most. My niggas hot like some cayenne. Sitting in your throat. They spend $250,000 in a private just for the show.
Oh my god, Kyrie is nasty. Buckets. Giving the Mavs buckets. Wow. Kyrie's just fucking disgusting. That was sick.
If I got the time, fuck her like a menace. Open up her tonsils like she had the dentist. Writing checks, had to work on my penmanship. What you got? I spend more on the fit, I spend more on my bitch.
Wow.
20 bitches on top of the Ritz. Got the store, you should cop you some kicks.
That's crazy. 15 minutes. Last 15 of the hourly here. Last.
We went to war for this shit. When you stacking up paper on paper on paper, you gon' need some more of this shit. Living prototype, they gon' copy a nigga. I done spent some M's on my property, nigga. Got rich off the box, I box me a nigga. Flew my bitch out from Thailand. She do the most. My niggas hot like some cayenne. Sitting in your throat. They spend $250,000.
Give me a big W and spam a fucking W in chat, yo. Back. Yeah, I gotta switch up the tunes, yo. Something going on. Somebody be snitching on us. Swear. 6ix9ine be dropping in here. With YouTube on speed dial and shit. Yeah, they online right now. They live. I promise you. Trust me, I never fuck up when I snitch. Damn. Nah, I'm not gonna play anything off anything tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But they on to us tonight, so let's just keep it rocking without without what we had on before. But I mean, I don't know. We'll figure out something for the tunes. We'll get in contact with Drizzy. We'll see if we can get Ye to sign off on some shit. What the fuck is playing? I can't do this. Like, this will fuck up a mood. I can't believe this shit. I mean, I can. I'm getting used to it, but I can't believe that I'm getting used to this shit. Nah, we need some. There's gotta be music on here. Sucks because when you try and recap the stream, it won't because of violation. What you mean? It'll let you watch it. I just won't be able to make any money off of it. It's cool. Ship sells. I don't know. We don't trade it. But if you post a chart, we'll look at it. Closure here in 8 minutes, chat. Let's see what we can get. If we can get something, we'll be on top of it. When I say less than, like shit on Velcro, right? I'm gonna let this rock. Yeah, GJ's chalked to me for the night. I'm not even gonna look at it. GJ's done. Gold here, on the other hand. Let's just listen to the charts. Let the charts speak to us. Let's listen to what the charts have to say. And they got some shit to say in about 7 minutes about what they think of our analysis. Charts do speak in volumes, or in lack of volumes. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for, chat, on this hourly closure. I don't know, our streams have been going longer and longer. I don't know if I really enjoy going too far past 10, but we get a closure above like this, over here, anywhere in this area. This. Right. Next candle, we will look to repeat the same thing that's happened here. It's happened here. We will look at the bottom wick and a drive to here. We had a drive here. We are going to look to repeat exactly what's happened in the market every time we've closed above this level. I feel like this questions are gonna be coming a lot. Why I choose this session to try? I need a night bot because I need to sleep during London at nighttime, and the morning session I'm on Don Vo's stream. You can catch us at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, live on YouTube. I believe it's at Don Vo, or just search for him. And that's the morning session live stream, and then the Asian session live stream in the evening. I do that here on my own. Do I need a top wick to form? We have a top wick here. We just can't have the candle close any higher than this. Or we need to, if we want a candle to close higher, we just need a decent wick, right? I need a decent wick, a clear wick. I don't want to be guessing. Oh, is there a wick? Is there no wick? Is there a nipple wick? Oh, there's a nubbin. I don't know what the fuck that is, you know? If I gotta zoom into it, no, it's gotta be a clear wick. And if it's there, then we need a bottom wick on the next candle as well. Right, so you have a closure. You need that closure to be above range 2. You need a wick on the closing of the candle, and you need a wick on the opening of the next candle. And only then, after all those things have happened, only then can you start thinking about your positions and determining your stops. Well, you should be able to doing that all together. It's like dynamic, but still, you're just doing that all together. For me, it's like one process. So I'm guessing your brain is optimizing to work in that way as well. You need a top wick here. I like that it's driving up and creating more of a range. I just want it to come back and close above this range with the top above 1664.54. How can I learn this? Keep showing up. It's free. Where can we put stops since candle closes good? Previous candle. Oh, do you see? That's what I'm looking at as well. It is tougho. Probably I'll be doing the 30. If we do close above, it will be a 37 pip stop for about 40. That's initially. Yeah, it could push here, but I'm not gonna trade GJ. It's clean. It's clean above the range we marked up, right? Those are solid buys, but I was just not comfortable. And based on, like right now, it's moving due to the news and due to all the talks that are happening right now, right? I see tentative. Monetary policy statement, Bank of Japan outlook report, Bank of Japan policy rate. Like a lot of shit's happening, so it's pushing it up, and you know, levels were solid. I'm just so not confident in it below here, and above here it's too late. By the time this candle closed, 2 minutes, 10 p.m. Gold, so I think a little more solid for me. Wow, how good were these? This wick was only like 6 pips. Interesting. Our gold could just fucking drive here in the last 30 seconds, and it needs to leave a top wick for us. And then then on the next candle, it really won't matter how big the bottom wick is as long as we get one. There's got to be a bottom wick. I'm gonna look for the break at the. See right now if it's gonna fill this range here for us, then we might have just waited for nothing. What's this? Closure above, chat, and there's a wick. Need a decent bottom wick here. We might just drive straight up. Lots of volume, lots of momentum. We get a bottom wick of 10 pips here, somewhere to here. I'm gonna have a buy stop above the previous candle high. But we need a bottom wick. We start driving up here. It's chalked. So clean too. I don't know too much about their monetary policy. I'm kind of skeptical of being in a trade here. 11, right? Very interesting. No, I might attempt buys here, chat. Let's see. Break of the candle on the previous candle high. 1 hour on GJ, TP. 20 pips here. Don't have anything set yet, chat. I would enter the break of the previous candle high, not the flip here, personally. Five. Hey, chat. High debate here. Send some charts. Yeah, send them earlier. I think I'm done for the evening. 10:07. I'm done. I'm gonna expect this. Start topping out. I'm guessing. Oh, we'll see. I don't know how this tentative news. Here's what's holding me back. This news is tentative, and it, like, I don't want to. It's not whatchamacallit, it's not like numbers are out and that's it, right? It's not like they release numbers, we can wait for it to settle down and then it's just continue trading. It's tentative, so it's gonna keep happening until market closes. And man, it's not something that I would prefer to be stuck in. You know, they could just say anything can be misinterpreted. So I'm gonna avoid that. I think I'm gonna call it a stream here, and yeah, if it drives up, it drives up. My thing is, I don't want to be stuck here with and you know our breakdown here. So if you're fine with that, you could take a smaller risk position just for yourself to see how it plays out. It's not worth it for me. I can attack tomorrow. I've had a monster week. I had a great night last night with 40 pips. I had a great morning. So there's no reason just to force something, right? For the sake of the stream, for the sake of the stream, you guys can take this position. It's just my comfort level is not here, and like I said, it's, you know, everyone has their own relationship with the charts and where their comfort level's at, money wise and pips wise and setup wise, ego wise, but. And it should, right? Look, every time we got a closure above here, next candle drove up, closed above, drove up, closed above here, drove up. I would expect something similar here, up to this level. But with whatever news is going on there, I'm not down with any fuckery that might just come up and do this. Look. I don't want any of this, right? Closed above here and look and came down. News, maybe it was an out of volume time, right? Out of market time, but not okay there. Yeah, but it's a solid play. It's the first candle that closed above here, and the 30 stops are completely solid. $30 stops are like, if there was no tentative news, I'm all over this like white on rice. All over it. Like, this is, see where this yellow line is? This would be my buy stop, and I would be taking this up. I'm not gonna do it just because of the tentative news, and I just don't want some dumb shit happening. Get activated and just drive down with whatever, someone's speech. Someone says in their speech. Almost activated. Yeah, good luck, Enhanced. Thank you guys for showing up. I know we lost about 100 when YouTube snuck up to us, and they try to get us. They don't want us to get a bigger pool than Kanye, but we're gonna get there one day, slowly. Good luck, gang. Good luck who's ever in that trade. Be careful with the news out. Join us on Monday for the next Asian session live stream, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. And join us tomorrow morning at 6:30 p.m. Eastern, 6:30 a.m. Eastern, for the New York session live streams with Donvo. Drop a like, subscribe. Let's get to 200 likes. Drop a like, subscribe, follow the IG, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys Monday, and have a good weekend. Love and wisdom to you all. Peace.
Pull up, headshot, sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it.
Now I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Pull up, headshot, sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it.
Okay, now open your mind up and listen to me, Kendrick. I'm in your conscience. If you do not hear me, then you will be history, Kendrick. I know that you're nauseous right now, and I'm hoping to lead you to victory, Kendrick.
If I take another one down, I'ma drown in some poison, abusing my limit. I think that I'm feeling the vibe. I see the love in her eyes. I see the feeling of freedom is granted as soon as the damage of vodka arrived. This how you capitalize. This is parental advice. And apparently, I'm over influenced by what you are doing. I thought I was doing the most, and someone said to me,
nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, may watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Pull up, headshot, sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it.
Alright, you right, bang. chopper, 100 shots, bang. Hop out, do you, bang. 2 chopper, 200 shots, bang. I ride, you ride, bang. 1 chopper, 100 shots, bang. Hop out, do you, bang. 2 chopper, 200 shots, bang. Nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Hold up.
Drink,
Headshot.
drink,
Sit down.
drink,
Stand up.
drink,
Pass out.
drink,
Wake up.
drink,
Fade it.
drink,
Fade it.
drink.
Later, Chad. Appreciate you all. Thank you.